Hello everyone! In this lesson I would like to share my knowledge with you. How can you quickly paint a cloud in 4 steps? Please subscribe to the channel to know more. To begin with, let's sketch with lines a sketch of our future cloud. Since I, for example, want to show all 4 stages of painting the cloud, I need more canvas space. I enlarged the canvas for this. I added a sky gradient stretching from blue to light blue. In the upper left corner on a separate layer I created a color panel to make it easier to mix color for our future cloud by adding shades of gray, purple, blue-gray, white. I started to paint a blue-gray tone in the shadow areas of the cloud. In the light areas of the clouds, I add light gray tones and white in the lightest areas. Step 2. I copy the cloud from step 1 and start working on the shadow areas in the cloud. I'm using the standard hard brush for this step. Step number 3. I use any texture brush to give the cloud a complex shape. I also use a soft brush. This gives us the illusion of diffuse air in the sky. I continue to refine the cloud using a soft brush both in the shadows and in the light. The idea is that at this stage you need to show the shape and volume of the cloud through the play of light and shadow. But at the same time, do not forget about the airy inflated shape of the cloud itself. Clouds come in a variety of shapes, but I choose cumulus cloud for you as I think this is the best shape for an instance of our lessons. Go to step 4. I use the texture brush and work on the highlight on the cloud. I also go in parallel to the shadow areas of the cloud. I emphasize the shadow areas with a texture brush, and where I see that the underlining is too linear, I blur the mixer brush edges. It turns out not bad. You can always play around in the settings of the brush itself to give different effects. Also, don't forget about this rule. If the cloud is painted on a bright, sunny day, then the light areas on the cloud will be located on top, and the shadow areas will be located below. If you want to create a cloud of a light tone, then in no case do not blacken in the shadows, otherwise you will fall out of the total mass of the object. The cloud should be smooth and airy. Since we are at stage 4 and have done work with chiaroscuro, we figure out which side is the light and which is the shadow. I continue to paint and refine the shape of the cloud within the cloud. In other words, I create and refine the details of a cumulus cloud. Imagine that our cloud consists of balls that are attached to each other. Imagine that you have a lot of balls that will be of different sizes and these balls will be attached to each other. Then it will be easier for you to understand how to depict the shape of a cumulus cloud. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video tutorial on how to quickly create a cloud in Photoshop. Even if you didn't succeed, don't be discouraged, only hours practice will give you a result. I ask you to subscribe to my channel, give me a like and leave a few comments under my video about what you would like to see next on my channel. This will give me the interest to release new content for you. Thank you.